Hello from the Cerebral Blue team. We want to share the functionality of regular expressions and their importance in modifying or extracting data from a text. In this case, we're going to create an email validator. First, we have a list of emails in which the second email in the list is invalid. Then we're going to process these emails through a loop and start our regular expression. The regular expression in this case is composed of three groups. The first group including the username, the second group including the @domain until there, and the third group corresponding to .com, .org, .net, and so on. We're also going to indicate that we want to extract group 0. Group 0 basically allows us to extract the entire string, or all the text that we are evaluating that matches with the regular expression. We can also extract group 1, which would be only the username. We can extract group 2, which would be only the @domain up to that point, and group 3, which would be .com, .org, and so on. And then, for this, we're going to accumulate it into the variable that is called emails, and we want it to be of the type append. Then, we are able to finish the loop and then show the result of the valid emails. When we evaluate the template, we can see that the validation is actually correct because initially we already knew that the second email in the list was abnormal and it is not shown here. I hope you like this video and are encouraged to try the capabilities of NeuralSeek. Thank you for watching.